This symbol might be the most important symbol in modern physics. It doesn't really describe what is, it describes what could be. And somehow it runs the entire universe. In everyday life, the world feels straightforward. A ball has a position, and a car has a velocity that it travels with. If I ask you where something is, you can just point and tell me where exactly it is. Physics used to work like that too. What do I mean? Well, when scientists started studying really small things, like atoms and electrons, those rules completely broke down. Electrons don't behave like these tiny soccer balls flying around the nucleus, or footballs. They don't follow neat little paths, and they don't even have a single well-defined location. And that caused a huge problem, because if physics is supposed to describe reality, how do you describe something that refuses to sit still? The answer physicists came up with was this symbol. It pronounced as psi, which honestly feels kind of appropriate. Psi is called the wave function. But here's the most important thing that you need to understand about it. Psi does not tell us where a particle is, it tells us where a particle might be. That's kind of a big shift. Instead of saying the electron is here, quantum mechanics says if you look here, there's a certain chance you can find it. Basically, psi is a probability map, where the tallest mountains are the places where it's most probable to find the particle. Not a dot, not a plat, a map of possibilities. This means that before you measure a particle, it's not hiding in one secret spot. According to quantum mechanics, it's spread out, described entirely by psi. That means a particle, when not observed at, is a literal wave function. How cool is that? And when you measure it, you suddenly get a definite answer. Quantum mechanics doesn't tell you which result you get though, it only tells you the odds. This idea completely shocked physicists when it was first discovered, and Albert Einstein hated it. He famously said that God doesn't play dice with the universe. But quantum mechanics basically replied, actually the dice are built in, and whether we like it or not, experiments keep proving it right. So why is science so important? Because without it, none of modern physics actually works. Psi lets us predict how electrons behave inside atoms. It explains why atoms bond to form molecules. It explains chemistry. And that leads directly to technology. Computers, smartphones, lasers, LED lights, solar panels, MRI machines, all of these exist because we understand and can calculate psi. Every time you use modern technologies, you're relying on the symbol, even if you've never seen it before. And here's the deepest and strangest part. Psi might not just describe particles, it might describe reality itself. At the smallest scale, we know how to measure. The universe doesn't run on certainty, it runs on probability. And psi is a symbol that tells us how likely each possibility is. So, the next time you read this strange little squiggle, remember, it's not just a math symbol, it's the closest thing we have to a rulebook for reality. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Stay curious like a child, the world needs more of it. Bye!